I'm super happy. My new vlogging camera. Hi guys! Welcome to the Pen of Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I am super excited for two things. The first one is I'm gonna be unboxing my new vlogging camera, and then the second one is I'm going out with my friend, and I can't wait to finally go out and hang out with her again since we haven't seen each other for I think 2 months. I think the last time we saw each other was our Valentine's date. So anyway, let's open the camera. So this is my new vlogging camera. It's the DJI Pocket 2, and I got the creator combo, which has a lot of things with it. So yeah, I was actually planning on buying the DJI Osmo Pocket before, but I decided not to, and finally, after watching a lot of vlogs and reviews about this, I finally gave in and I got this from Best Buy. So I got the creator combo because it has a lot of accessories and it's a lot better than just getting the actual camera itself. So I think I got this for $499 plus tax. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. Vlogging using my new DJI Pocket 2, and hopefully the quality is nice. And oh my god, I have to learn how to use the, what do you call this? The mic. This is the wide lens. As you can see, it's very wide. You can see how messy my room is, and when I remove it, it's just like that. So it's just like a small little magnet camera lens. I'll see you guys later, and I'm super happy. I was gonna show you my outfit using my new camera, but I might forget it later since it's still charging. So my jacket is from H&M, my top is from Zara, H&M pants again, and then my new Nike mid blazers, and then my Tory Burch bag, and then for my ring, I have this one from my look collection. Hey guys, I'm with Kenya, and we're at Liberty Station. So we're just gonna roam around since it's over there. This is nice. $40 for a shirt. Come here. It's a video. All matchy.
Order everything through there. So you'll order and pay, and once you do that, you basically, if you each want to do a tab, you just scan it and then open up your own tab on your own phone, takes you to our website, like you're on Amazon. And basically, instead of opening a bar tab, you'll just open it on there. And
So I got tacos. What did you get?
I I got breaded chicken sandwich with a side of chips and a Mexican michelada.
Girl, you can vlog. And then I got seltzer. We're here. Cheers!
Salud!
Oh, salute. Oh, the plane. It's interrupting our chica. There's like a plane every freaking 5 minutes. It's annoying.
Super loud. This should be illegal.
We were like, what it is?
Successful Wednesday
Midday
brunch
drinking.
date.
A lot of. Wait, where are we going? Here? The only thing that was bothering was the freaking menu, like the ordering system and the planes. Sheesh. We have to stop talking because the plane was super loud.
Yeah.
Oh, I keep looking here. I'm supposed to look there. So where are we going? So we're going back to Moniker and get coffee.
It was accidental.
It kind of wasn't.
I love that too.
I'll just do chai with almond milk.
Almond milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me try.
I want to see like a little bit of myself.
I know. You're here.
I can see why you made that mistake.
I'm not drunk, but.
Oh, I didn't try your drink. I wanted to try it. The seltzer.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
That's good, but I don't taste the watermelon.
Oh,
Like where's the water?
I want to go to the beach. I think Monday, if you're down, with one of my friends.
What time? Let me see if I'm here.
We can meet us there. I want to be there all day. Well, actually, I might have class.
I want to do that too. Like just lay down in the sun and like get a tan.
Puerto Rico felt so rushed because we did a lot.
I feel like all of the like vacation, because you have to wake up early.
Yeah.
Like
And
make
she
the most
didn't.
out of it.
No, dude, I was so
Spilling
annoying.
tea.
She
Spilling
woke up
tea in
at
the
like
vlog.
9. You guys don't know who I am. You don't know my name.
Wait, Monday. This is where we're supposed to go. It's called the Presley, but they're closed until 3 p.m. on Wednesdays. So it was so freaking annoying. I feel like because today is a Wednesday.
They're popular for brunch. That's why they don't open it like during the week.
So sad.
What is the trace off those gates?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like
It's so cute. Oh yeah. It's so nice here. I want to go back again.
Well, you want to come with me to Nebraska?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Girl, I'm down to do anything.
My
You
cousin
don't
likes
have
to-
to ask me anymore. Bye.
Toodles. Until
Toodles.
next time.
Bye. Thank you. So I'm finally home. It's currently 4:20 in the afternoon and I'm super sleepy because I haven't slept yet. So I worked last night at 10 p.m. So I woke up around 8 p.m. and yeah, it's almost 20 hours that I'm awake. So I'm just gonna show you the cookies that I got from Bose sweets. So I ordered their Oreo cookies. It looks so good. I hope you can smell it. So I got the Oreo. It's so good. So I guess I'll end today's vlog because I'm just literally gonna wash and like remove all of my makeup and then change my clothes into sleepwear because I need to sleep or else my head will hurt in a few hours. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and a day with Kenya, and we super enjoyed it. I really want to go back to Liberty Station because I feel like there's a lot more restaurants to try, and I want to go like just chill out there because it's so chill. The weather was nice, although I wish it was a little sunny, but it was really nice. It was very peaceful, it was serene. I don't know, I just like the vibe there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the like button, comment down below what are your next video suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.